This is Naina Baste from SNJB's SSDJ College of Pharmacy. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Pharmaceutics. Students, today we are going to see different parts of tablet compression machine. Before that, when the tablets that are compressed, but there are mainly three stages that are present. First, it is dye filling. Second, it is tablet compression, and the third stage it is tablet ejection. The first stage, that is dye filling, in that the material flow from hopper to the filling frame. After that, the compression it takes place by applying certain pressure from upper punch and lower punch in a die cavity, and in the third stage the lower punch it is raised up to certain height by lower cum track, and the tablet it get ejected. So basically there are mainly three stages of tablet compression. First it is die filling, second it is tablet compression, and the third it is tablet ejection. Now before starting we are first see which are the parts of hopper. This hopper it is fitted here. Mainly the granulation which is required to be compressed, that is filled in a hopper, and that flow from hopper to the die table. Then second part, it mainly consists of filled die cavity. See here, it consists of punch and die cavity. Now this is the die cavity. This die cavity it mainly gives proper shape as well as size to tablet, and along with this die cavity there is upper punch and lower punch it is present. This is upper punch and this is lower punch. Now when this upper punch and lower punch they fitted in this cavity, certain pressure is applied and the tablet it get compressed in this die cavity. Now when we choose the die cavity and punches, proper precaution should be taken that the size of that punch as well as die both are matching with each other. On punch as well as on die as well as on punch, the size it is given. If it is 10 mm punch, then 10 mm of die cavity it is selected, so that the fitting of this punch in die cavity it is proper. Now tablet compression machine it mainly consists of hopper, then punches, die cavity. Along with this it mainly consists of feed frame. Now this feed frame it mainly present or it may be placed on this die table. Die table पे feed frame रखी जाती है, so that the material which get flow from hopper on the die table, the volume of that die cavity it is completely filled by this feed frame. So basically there are, and the last part or last tool which is present on this compression machine, that is cam tracks. These cam tracks these mainly guide the movement of upper punch and lower punch. So cam tracks they mainly manage the movement of punch so that the die cavity it gets properly filled. If the overfilling it takes place, then that material it gets swiped from that. Then the compression it takes place, and after compression the ejection of that tablet it takes place, and this whole movement of punch it is mainly guided by this cam track. Now this compression machine it mainly consists of different knob. Here the first knob which is that is start and stop for starting machine, and for making off the machine these knobs that are used. Then start the machine. When we start the machine, at that time the speed of machine it is managed by using speed control knob, and if there is certain emergency takes place, if there are certain problems present in a machine, then this emergency knob it is present there. Along with this knob there are again hardness and weight variation knob that are also present in this tablet machine. Here if you see there are two knobs that are present. This first knob it is called as weight management knob. So when we move this knob, particularly cam gad lower cam track the position of it is adjusted in such a way that it controls the volume of die cavity. Whereas thickness knob it is also present, and this thickness knob as well as weight variation knob, they are mainly useful for adjusting the hardness of tablet. Now we see the another parts which are present in this tablet machine. These tablet machines, they are mainly of two types: single punch tablet machine and rotary tablet machine. Now single punch, that means when it consists of only one set of punch and die, and that is we called as single punch compression machine. And multi punch compression machine, that means when it consists of more than 3 set or 3 to 60 or more than that set of punch and die cavity, and number of tablets they are compressed simultaneously, that is we called as multi-station rotary apparatus, rotary machine. Now why this is called as rotary? Because when the turret it is, or the tablet head, it is rotated, along with that tablet head the punches as well as die cavity it is rotated. That's why this machine it is called as rotary machine. Now here you see the upper punch, it is fitted in the upper head of tablet machine. See here, in this cavity the upper punch it is fitted, so it is called as upper turret. This is your die table. In this die table the die cavity it is fitted, and here the lower punch it is fitted from lower side, so it is called as lower head. So upper head, die table and lower head, these are the three main component of tablet compression machine. Now when the machine it is operated, how the compression it takes place, we will see the machine completely. Or this cam guide, it is mainly useful for the pre-compression. So upper punch and lower punch, they came at over each other. Now this lower cam it pushes the upper punch, or when the lower punch it is above the lower cam, and when the upper punch it is, this is upper compression or upper cam, upper compression cap, and this is lower compression cap. When the upper punch it is below the upper compression cap, and when the lower punch it is above the lower compression cap, simultaneously when these two punches that cover the die cavity, certain pressure it is applied from here, and the pre-compression it takes place. So here actually the compression of tablet it takes place. Now after this compression, the ejection of tablet it takes place at this stage. Here again one circular cam it is present, and this cam it pushes upside the lower punch, and when this lower punch, when see here, this is circular cam, this cam it mainly function to push up the lower punch, and when this lower punch it get pushed up on upper side, automatically the tablet it get ejected, and when the tablet it get ejected, the feed frame it is having a function like swipe blade. This feed frame it do the function of swipe blade, and the tablet it get automatically ejected, or it get collected in the chamber. Now when I start the machine, see here, this position. Now I am doing the compression here. See here how the upper punch and lower punch they are moving, and how these cam tracks they guided the movement. Again I am giving you the same demo of this compression, how the compression it takes place. See